Japanese versus European motorcycles style. Who has a better style?
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continually video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
You know, a lot of you guys, some of you guys think my CBR, my 2012 CBR 1000 RR is ugly. Some of you think it's beautiful. I think it's good looking myself, especially in the Repsol design. Not too hip with the term Repsol on there advertising for them, but I like the colors because it's high vis, baby. But you know, Japanese style is just, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to European motorcycles, there's only one country that comes to mind in Europe, really, that has the most beautiful bikes out of the whole world, in my opinion, and that is obviously Italy. Yes, Italy makes the most beautiful bikes. The Ducati and MV Agusta, they make the most beautiful bikes, man, hands down. And Japan, not so much, man. I think the new R1 looks pretty good. It looks all right. It just looks okay. You know, the CBR, the new CBR 1000 RR, the ZX-10R I think looks pretty cool, but they just don't have the pizzazz like Italy has with their bike, you know, Ducati and MV Agusta. Now, as far as the other European manufacturers like BMW, oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, they don't, BMW just makes, the S1000 RR, in my opinion, it looked really cool. At first I didn't like the headlights, the asymmetrical headlights on the older bikes. You know, they came out with the new 2020 S1000 RR that has, it's completely redesigned and has symmetrical headlights now. It looks so much better now. It looks absolutely good looking now. Still doesn't compete with Ducati though, I'm sorry, man. The designers over at Ducati and MV Agusta, man, Japan needs to hire those designers, man, because and BMW and all the rest of them. But then you would, what good would it be if all of them look beautiful? You got to have some ugly ones in the mix to make the other ones look beautiful. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that new BMW is legit though. It is legit. I like that. But their bikes overall in general, what the hell's going on here? He's awful close to that yellow line. I tell you, I stay sharp out here, baby. Stay safe out here. The other BMWs, they're all right. Okay. Their beauty, the looks of their bikes, BMW, is on par with Japan. I mean, they look similar. As far as Triumph, I don't like designs made in Britain. I don't like any of the Britain companies like Triumph, Norton. They make these old, like, classic looking bikes, but some of you guys like that, the big round headlights and all that. That's one reason why I didn't get the Triumph Street Triple. It's because it looks like somebody stole the front fairing off of it, and it's got the two lights there exposed. It just don't look right, man. I wish they'd get rid of that, but that's their style. They like that old classic looking style, man. The old bulbous looking style. And some of you guys like that. And that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But I don't think they make, I'm sure a lot of you agree too that Britain doesn't make particularly good looking bikes, except for Norton with that new V4RR super bike, which I'm still waiting for it to come out. All of us are. They've been talking about it forever, but that bike is gorgeous. That's up there, right up there with Ducati, man. I don't know, Ducati's got the edge, I'd say, but Norton's right below it with that V4RR. I tell you. But as far as Aprilia, they need to update their bikes, man. Their new the RSV4 for 2019. It looks like my old CBR 1000 RR. It hasn't changed its looks at all. their bikes just, they don't like changing their designs that often, I notice, man. This stuff just always looks the same, and they're right in line with Japan as far as looks. I think Japan even has the edge over Aprilia, because they, like, especially Kawasaki and Yamaha, they update their bikes' looks. But I mean, this is all, you know, from my point of view. I want you guys to share your opinion, you know, because like I said, beauty's in the eye of the beholder. You're not going to agree with me. I'm not going to agree with a lot of you guys. Maybe I will, or maybe I won't, but nobody's right. At the end of the day, all that matters is that you get a bike that's good for you. That's it, that you think is beautiful. That's just like you get a wife. That you get your wife, she's beautiful to you. That's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter what CycleCruza thinks or anybody else. And some of you guys go out of your way to get an ugly wife, you know, because you don't want, you want somebody that's gonna stay home, not gonna cheat on you. I've seen some guys do that, and hey, that's your prerogative, baby. You know what I'm saying? And some women do the same thing. Like I said, beauty's in the eye of the beholder. Whatever. I'm just joking. But anyways, guys, leave a comment if you want to get my gear, like these awesome heated gloves, my boots, helmets, cameras, leather jackets, camo pants, all my stuff. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab, My Gear.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Moto.